What's up, YouTube? It's the Double Threat Twins here. I'm Becky. I'm Raquel. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell. Today's video, we're going to be showing you some easy hairstyles, and we're going to be working with rubber bands. Yeah, these hairstyles I really love. They are really cute. So we're going to use Becky as a model today. So if you want to see the hairstyles and how to do the hairstyles, then keep on watching. So we have rubber bands. These are the ones we're going to be using. They're multicolor. You can get them off Amazon. And we're going to be using water, just in a regular bottle that we found. And this is the comb that you could use, or you could use like a regular comb too. So you just grab like a kind of thin section, and then you just start braiding from the top to the bottom. Okay, so now you get another one. Put your head forward, like close to the back. But yeah, I like to keep like an inch between the first one and the front. I think it looks good that way with 4 braids. You can add more if you want to. So for this next hairstyle, you just want to leave some of the front part. For this, girl, I'm moving your head to move. Do you not feel the pressure of me snapping your head? I thought that you were doing that on purpose. Nah. Hairstyle, you want to leave like some bang part out. And basically what I do is I go from like the right here and part it straight to the back. So yeah, just like that. And part it in the back. And then just get a little bit of water. So you can smooth it down. And then just put it a little bit towards the back. Let me see. Okay, so this next hairstyle, you also want to leave some hair in the front. And then this time you go like kind of closer to the edge of the eyebrow. And you go diagonally, like kind of slanted, like all the way back. Hold up your hair. Yeah, so you just want to hold it and then turn to this side. And then do the same on the other side. Kind of bring it like close to the middle, and again spray some water, or you could use gel too if you want to like extra hold it down, you know, so it lasts longer. So I kind of like to preserve the middle part a little bit. That's this hairstyle. Okay, so this next hairstyle, you could part it to the side. You want to like spray down this part. Just like make sure it's like smoothed down, and put it behind your ear. And you go over to this side. And you just do like about this much and part it down the side. And spray it again. And here you're gonna kind of do like little square sections. So this is the first one. you get another section, like another little square. And you take the ponytail from the other one and then just like lay it down on top of the other section, and then you just do your knot. And then again, the same thing. So yeah, you twist the top one again. And then you just want them like evenly spaced out. You could just put it like behind your ear and then lay your hair on top of it. That's pretty much it. Okay, so I thought it was looking a little bit poofy on this side. So I just grabbed some mousse, just kind of lay it down top too. But yeah, I really like this hairstyle. We hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Yeah, please let us know if you want to see any other videos like this, and please go like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video.